Alright, Rob Frazier here. This video talking about using viral mail or Payday and just a couple of tips I've learned from just surfing my emails here. So for starters, you do want to make sure all of your safe lists are hitting a certain category in your email inbox. I have them all going to safe list. I open 10 at a time. I do 0 seconds between link opens, and the name of my trash folder is trash. And so basically on this screen I refresh, I'll check open checked links. Basically once it refreshes, I'll click this, I'll hit all of the emails, and then I'll click open checked links. I already did this process, so I'm going to just simply go across just a couple things that may come up. Never mind my bird in the background. So basically, once you do that and you open all of the links here, so for example, I'll click here and I'll click open checked links, but I'm not going to do that because I already have a whole bunch of tabs open. So here, they'll all open and you just simply close them out. This will happen sometimes. All you got to do, click the captcha or whatever, click go, and then wait for the timer to go down to get your credits. And then as they come up, just go ahead and click them once the little countdown expires. A couple things that'll happen sometimes. Sometimes a website will open without one of these frames. It happens, just delete it. And sometimes this happens. All you have to do to get around it is simply refresh the page, wait for the timer to go down, and exit it as normal. And also one other thing I will say, if you're using Dweeble, you might want to select that page because sometimes they have little extra bonuses for you to get after the countdown timer has gone down. But other than that, that's basically it. I do this about 7 rounds. See, it happened here on this jumper. All I simply do is refresh. And when it counts down, go ahead and click on it. It's just basically, I don't know, something with the software or something. I don't know exactly how that works. But when you refresh it, you'll see the timer go down. You'll be able to click off of it. Never mind my annoying bird in the background. But I'll do this. I'll go for about 7 rounds in the morning, 7 rounds in the afternoon, 7 rounds in the evening, and that's it. That's all I do for my safe list marketing and surfing. Never mind my slow Wi-Fi right now in the afternoon. For some reason, we live out in the boondocks. Our Wi-Fi is a little slow, and I'm also recording and doing a bunch of things like that. But that's it. Get my credits, and all of these credits will obviously allow me to send out my ad. I send out my ad, sometimes I'll do it in the morning, and sometimes I'll do it in the afternoon. And of course, when I send out my ad, I use Traffic Zipper. So I don't have to log into every single one of these safe lists and send out the email, 10, 20 separate times. I'll just log into Viral or Traffic Zipper. Go here. Let me show you my slow internet is working. Send email, compose email, and you'll see how to do it on that screen right there. But very simple. So if you have any questions, I highly suggest using this for your free traffic. If you don't have money for solo ads, you don't want to be a YouTube star. A lot of people do these traffic sources full time, and they make it work. Just to see what that looks like. They all open up, and I'll do the countdown. Underneath this video, I'll include a link to my viral mail or Payday, and a link to my traffic zipper. And I did want to shoot this video in the garage because I know that little bird likes to always tweet in the background, but yeah, it is what it is. Live in the barn. And again, once you're here, once you get your viral mailer account, it's simply up top here, easy mail clicker. Then on that screen, it'll ask you to log into your email, and then from there you can pull your safe list email folder, and I'll show you how to filter your safe list emails in a future video. Wrapping it up, that's all I do. Takes about, depending on your internet, depending on if you're recording a video alongside of surfing or not, about 10 minutes. I'll get my 7 rounds done in the morning, 10 minutes in the afternoon, 10 minutes in the evening, and that'll give me roughly 2,000-ish safe list credits divided amongst all of these particular safe lists. Add Cheever, List Jumper, build my downlines. I'll send out my email through Traffic Zipper to all those safe lists, and every month I'll get about 20 to 30, sometimes up to 40 leads using this same process. For every 200 actual opens of my emails through these safe lists, I get about 1 lead, 1 or 2 solid leads. So it's not bad. I mean, for the amount of work sitting here clicking, maybe 30 minutes a day to get 20 to 40 leads a month, I'm cool with that. Wrapping this video up, links are below. We'll see you in the next one.